Well, hello there. Well, it's been raining just a touch here and there, 5-minute rains all day. But it's been raining solid for the last 30 minutes. And look, I just filled a whole bucket of water with rain. Can you believe it? Oh my gosh. And it wasn't supposed to rain at all this afternoon on the Weather Channel report after 10 o'clock this morning in Florida. Well, now, this bucket doesn't lie. But I'll use that to water my plants. Anyway, I hope you're having a terrific day and enjoy this weather. The only great thing about Florida rain is your car is always clean. Even if it's a 5-minute Florida car wash rain. And sometimes when it rains, it pours. Amazing. Have a great day. Love to you.